How to create a poll in Facebook's Messenger on iPhone or even on Android. It is the same method. Now from your phone, open Messenger and then tap on the pen in the top right corner to create a group, because you can only have polls in group chats. Now once you tap there, go ahead and select the members that you want in your group and then tap on next in the top right corner. From here, tap right there on group name to give your name a group, because you cannot leave it empty, and then tap on create in the top right corner again. You have just created your group. Now to add a poll, tap on the square in the bottom left corner, those 4 dots that are square shaped. Tap on that and then tap on poll right here. Once you do that, go ahead and type in your question right here and then add the options in the bottom. You could add as many as you want and then tap on create poll. Just like that, the poll will be added to the group and everybody can vote by tapping here in vote, and then they tap on one of the options. After selecting an option, tap on submit in the bottom, and that's how you create a poll on Facebook's Messenger. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.